How to remove a credit card from Agoda. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to the official website at agoda.com. On the top right corner, click on Sign in and log in to your Agoda account using your email, Google, Facebook or Apple ID. Once you are signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right and select the profile option. Next, go to the payment methods section. Here you will see a list of all your saved credit cards. Find the credit card you want to remove and click on the remove or delete option next to it. Confirm your choice when prompted. After confirmation, the credit card will be removed from your Agoda account instantly. This ensures that your payment information is up to date and only the cards you actively use are stored in your account. Removing a credit card is useful for keeping your account secure, managing multiple payment methods, or updating old cards. Now you know how to remove a credit card from your Agoda account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more booking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.